Vape mixer, vape mixer. Come gather round with vape mixer.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Vape Mixer channel. I hope you're doing okay because I'm doing okay too. And I fancy doing an unboxing for you today. And this is one I picked up at the May Vape Expo. And I haven't got around to doing the unboxing of it yet. So I need to get around to it, which is what I'm going to do today. Is hopefully just a quick little video. I ain't got much time, so I'm going to try and make it a bit quick. If you are on YouTube, link to the full video is at the top of my description. That will take you to my channel on Rumble, where you will see everything. The strike, I'm still waiting to clear. That will be coming off very, very soon. Next few days, hopefully the strike will disappear, and then I can start posting more full content here on YouTube. But for now, YouTube, I'll see you in a moment. Out the way, we'll bring YouTube back. Hello YouTube. It turns out I didn't actually do the video. I opened the box to find the device already open with its safety labels removed, and it wasn't in the cellophane wrapper. It was just loose in the box. So for my own safety, and I will say this to everybody as well, if you ever buy a vaping device and it is not sealed, so it's not sealed in one of them little bags you rip open once you to get it out the box, and it doesn't have the stickers you have to remove, do not use it. Just point blank, do not use. Throw it away or take it back to where you bought it from and insist on a brand new one. Because if they're selling you one that doesn't even have the factory labels on it, the factory stickers, and it's not in the cellophane bag, do not risk it. Don't vape it. Don't put your health at risk. You've got no idea if that device has been tampered with or anything. So just do not risk it. Take it straight back to where you bought it and give it back. Either get a different device and make sure that one is sealed, or get your money back. Under no circumstances use the device at all, ever. Yeah, don't even put it anywhere near your face. PSA for you. But yeah, very quick, very short video. That's kind of all I have for you today. So thank you for watching this not much of a video, I suppose. Hit the like, hit the comments, hit the follow, hit the subscribe, whatever platform you're on, and okay, bye.